if you are looking to keep those pests out of your house and repel them and prevent them from coming in, you're going to want to check this out. This is Kate's Home and Garden Peppermint and Cedar Oil Spray for bugs. We bought this. We kind of had a little ant thing going on in our kitchen. I was looking for something that was safe for our dog. And this happens to be that because of how it's made. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this, run through exactly how we use this, how you can use it, and whether or not it would be a good fit for you. So right off the bat here, this is made with peppermint and cedar oil. This is going to repel ants, flies, spiders, and it's safe around people and pets. And you could use this indoors or outdoors. Now, you don't necessarily want to spray this on your crops. So if you're looking for something in a garden to repel these types of insects, this is not going to be the thing for you. This is going to be for you if you're looking to, we live in the woods out over there. You can see over here, if I open that up, there are woods. So that means there are lots of bugs, critters, ants, all that kind of stuff. And we use this. So I spray this around this door over here, in the baseboards, pretty much everywhere. And this thing works absolutely great. It not only does it keep everything away, it doesn't have, one, it's good for our dog, which is kind of the most important part of this. And two, it smells like cedar and peppermint. So it's a weird kind of combination or hard to think through, but it doesn't have that nasty chemical smell that a lot of other things have. And that's kind of what I like about this the most. You're going to get, it's a 16-ounce bottle, which is going to get you about 1,500 sprays. It does shoot out about 10 to 12 inches. So depending on your surface. Now, if you're worried about little ones and stuff, this does have a lock. So it is also labeled. So you can see right over there, it says off. And then right over here, it says spray. So you know exactly what you're doing. There's no different spray settings. It's one spray. So it's either on spray or it's off. And if it's off, it is off. This is a very expensive camera. I don't want to get it. And you'll see nothing comes out of here. You get this right off the bat. All you want to do is shake it up a little bit. You do want to store this in a cool, dry spot. And you're basically good to go. You could just start spraying. This is safe for kitchens, all that kind of stuff. You don't want to just spray it directly on food or anything like that, but you could do it on kitchen counters, cracks, dashboards, stuff like that. And in kind of those little cracks that those bugs love to get into. And like I said, this is a great thing for prevention. There's nothing worse than getting the ants, the bugs, the little critters in there. But once you get them out, you want to keep them out. And that is kind of what we use this for exactly. And like I said, it's very easy to use. You just shake it. You want to stand 8 to 12 inches away from the surface you're going to spray. And then you're just going to spray it. And then it's super, super easy. Again, this is going to be for ants, flies, spiders. I can't even tell you how many spiders try to come in here. This has been a huge help for us. Like, I can't even explain. Like, everywhere I looked when we first moved in here, I feel like there was a spider, a web, a this or that. This, we spray it right around the door, right? We have a lot of sliding doors too. So we spray it in the cracks and the crevices, and this has done a great job preventing that stuff from coming in here. Again, you could use this for indoor, outdoor. So if you're looking for a great solution to get those bugs away, again, you're going to get 16 ounces of this, safe for dogs, little ones, all that kind of stuff, and made out of peppermint and cedar oil. You're going to have a peppermint and cedar oil smell. You will smell it, so just be aware of that after you spray it. But after it's done kind of dissipating, you won't really smell it, but initially you will. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right spray for the bugs in your area.